the Diamond Puppy Girls here, and welcome to another Animal Jam video. So, good morning. Kinga's still here.
Yeah, I'm still here.
And it's this day that we done the last video because Kinga said, let's do gifting. No, wait. Let's open some of my mail. So I said, okay. So, yeah.
That's gifting, kind of.
Yeah. So let's go to my den. Can you go to my den if you can? Let's open our mail in my den. So it's going to be a short video. I don't know. It depends on how much mail I have. And yeah, so I'm going in the middle rug where I used to do my intros. And let's check the mail.
Oh, my game has to reload.
Oh.
Yeah, it's loading for too long.
Okay. So you can hear Kinga.
God,
Okay, where's our first gift? Oh, here we go. Oh, thank you. A small wood den portal. Thank you.
Where are you?
I'm in my den. Oh, thank you. A friendship bracelet. Thank you. Here. Oh, thank you. We're gazelle horns. Oh, thank you very much. Come find me.
Gift me. I'm going to gift you.
Wait. Oh, thank you for the rare bunny hat. Or wasn't it rare? Oh, thank you for the charm bracelet. I really like it. Nice. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's pretty, just like you. Oh, thank you. That was a very nice writing. Thank you for the welcome
I think that was
mat.
from your boyfriend in AG.
Yes.
I
Okay.
gifted you too.
Is
Gift me
there
back.
where? Oh wait.
Back something rare.
Oh, I have more gifts. Wait, I think this is yours that I'm gonna open.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Thank you, King.
No,
Thank.
I want it back.
Wait, I need to open everything.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, the star
I
hat.
had that before.
Are you in my den? Yeah, you
Yeah,
are.
I am.
I'm opening everything.
I'm looking at your table.
Okay. So, is there more? Yes, there's more. Oh, thank you for the ferret maze table. I already have a ferret couch that I traded. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, thank you, a portal crystal. It's loading. And here we go. Here you go. Oh, thank you for the Coral Canyons floor. I hope I use it. It's loading. Okay. Next. A tree house. Thank you.
Treehouse, you got a treehouse.
I know I already have one, but it's
Gift
from
me.
someone. Wait! You will gift me back. Walking closer? Oh, thank you. Waiting. Oh, here we go. There's more. Oh, thank you for the pink purse. And I think that's
I
all.
had one, but
That's all.
I sold it. Wait, what? I gifted it. I gifted something.
I know, I see. Oh my god, thank you. Okay, come here. Don't move.
Okay.
Jones, but I like the tail armor. Maybe the helmet.
No, I don't want it. Plus, that's mine.
Okay. But I have two rare things.
Oh, okay. I might give it some time to you to wear.
Thank you. Okay, I gifted it. Did you get it? Yeah, you got it. I looked at your screen. So maybe let's do something or watch. What do you want to do? Like,
I don't really know.
Okay, so I think this is the end of the short and sweet video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Please comment or whatever. And say bye, Kinga.
Bye.
Bye bye.